Hello everyone. Today we will do a little bit extensive demo. I will demonstrate recently restored Nakamichi DR-1, and at the same time we will be comparing it with one of the most detailed deck is AMD9100. Why it's most detailed? Because this deck don't have a DC amplifier, so there is no capacitors which sits on the sound path. So you would be able to hear the differences, recording differences, and so on. I will be switching between two of them. Let's start comparison from the tape recorded on Nakamichi DR-1. I will scroll to the different song probably, because we already listening to this song multiple times on the other decks. What I can tell, this Nakamichi DR-1 records and sounds incredible. Very close to my DR-2, which is really hard to beat from sonic perspective. It definitely benefits from the capacitors I replaced in the playback amplifier. So next I'm considering if I will recap the rest of the board just to make sure it will be fully competitive with DR-2. But as of now, it's still very, very good. It's a difference maybe like few percent, not more, between DR-1 and DR-2 on the sound, and mostly in a little bit in the volume. And there's definitely capacitors affect that. What else? It was interesting to experiment with this playback azimuth. I tried songs recorded on different cassette, recorded different decks, and in most of the cases the middle position was fine because I tuned up my decks properly. In some cases I have like 12-30 for some songs due to tapes, the shells not even maybe during recording azimuth was a little bit different, and to gain more high frequencies it's quite easy to adjust right here. But mostly I can tell I was impressed with the diagram I did show you in the latest Denon DR-144 restoration video. This deck is capable on same as DR-2, like on the recordings which other decks are not. So it takes tape 1 tape and records -6 decibel to 16 kilohertz. I'm not sure if you can find any other decks which can do that. Only Nakamichis are capable for that. Now let's listen the sound and enjoy. I hope you will like my choice. Hey guys, I'm sorry, I forget to switch properly tape types, so I had to restart recording. It's Nakamichi, it's manual tape type, so sorry for that. I decided to play Ibiza Lounge, so we will be comparing sound between these two decks. This one is very good competitor because it has DC amplifiers and no capacitors at the south pass and very detailed. But it's still up to you. You may compare and let me know.
Blossomed like a flower. I was kissed awake by the sun. The rain adorned me with shimmering pearls, like a flower in bloom.
Okay, now comparing with Akai.
When I met you, I blossomed like a flower. I was kissed awake by the sun. The rain adorned me with shimmering pearls, like a flower in bloom. Look on me as a flower. Give me water, sun, and love. Look on me as a flower. Give me water, sun, and love.
And now back into DR-1.
Look on me as a flower. Give me water, sun, and love. Look on me as a flower. Give me water, sun, and love.
Okay, I believe this would be enough for this tape. I hope you enjoyed. And next I will put my newly recorded tape. It's recorded on DR-1.
I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. I don't want to be your weekend lover. I don't want to be some kind of friend.
I believe you can hear how details sound.
Baby, I could never steal you from another. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain.
And going back.
Honey, I know, times are changing. It's time we all reach out for something new that means you too. You say you want a leader, you can't seem to make up your mind. I think you better close it. Let me guide you through the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. If you know what I'm thinking, but up here, come raise your hand.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this song. So the next one, I like to set the song recorded on Sony 555 ESA, same metal tape, calibrated, so enjoy.
And them, and after all, we're only ordinary men. Me and you.
Okay, now, okay.
God only knows it's not what we would choose to do. Forward he cried from the rear, and the front rank died. The general sat, and the lines on the map moved from side to side. Black and blue, and who knows which is which and who is who. Up and down, and in the end, it's only round and round and round and round. Haven't you heard? It's the battle of words. The poster bearer cry. Listen, son, said the man with the gun. There's room for you inside.
Just a charming music.
it out. It can't be helped, but there's a lot of it about. And who'll deny it's what the fighting's all about? Out of the way, it's a busy day. I've got things on my mind. For the want of the price of tea and a slice, the old man died. Da, 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 da,
Okay, I believe this was really good, and you remember that it was recorded on Sony 555 SA. The last quick, I'd like to find the song, so that's why I will be using search on the Akai deck and turn on IPSS. Wait. I will fast forward a little bit. I believe it's 15 minutes where the song starts. So we will start from this deck and then switch to the DR-1. This tape being recorded on Nakamichi DR-1. The song is very heavy for the decks. More than half of my decks are not capable to record this song clearly. So if you will find and test on your decks, you will may see a pretty interesting results. For example, Victor is just not capable, as it already has much increased bass, and with this amount of bass it just overloads on recording. Couple other decks distort. Only very good high-end decks properly tuned can record it. I believe it's here. Enjoy. Okay, now enjoy here. And one more time into Akai. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this part. The next part would be recording session for both this deck, and we will be comparing this deck. See you. Bye-bye.